What you getting? What we getting?
Popcorn.
You want popcorn? Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're doing a little road trip, right?
Samuel.
Huh?
Yeah, boss Samuel. I said,
So guys, we're going on a little road trip, right? So we're in Gulf Shores, Alabama, and we're heading to Atlanta, Georgia, right? So it's around 5 hours 44 minutes thereabout. So
5:20 now.
Huh?
5:21.
5 what?
5 hours 21 minutes.
Oh, that says 5. Well, the GPS has said 5 hours 21 minutes at the moment. So we're going, carrying on this journey with us, right? So we're showing a little bits and pieces. Samuel is saying hi. Hello, you saying hi?
No.
I guess not. Chris, your sister.
Yeah, guys. So we're going to take on the road. Long drive, but it's alright. We'll make it. Whenever we get a chance to stop, we can show you guys what we're stopping for. We can just drive straight. Well, I think we could have drive straight, but we're traveling with a toddler. Might need to use a bathroom or grab something to eat. So we'll show you guys as much as we can. And we're gonna tell you when to read safe and thing. So guys, just come on this journey with us. You all know that ChriSamz is all about the journey. And Sammy always telling about me, I tell you today. The journey continues. So hear what? Let's go. Whoa, hold on. If you're new, please to subscribe to the channel. For those who are watching the video, just give us a like, leave a comment down below. It not hurt, it's free. Watch 2 of the ads them so we can grow some more and just come along on this journey with us. So we'll catch you up when we can, alright?
a quick stop at the gas station. I know, Chris out this. So, yeah, 2 hours to go. Him sleep out majority of the time. I think I bet him enough clearly. But yeah, that's it for now. So we catch on the back here. How long left, Chris? 1 hour and 26 minutes. Family relax. What you mean you're gonna get the egg? You have money?
Yeah.
Okay. What else you want to buy?
Egg
And popcorn. Okay. So guys, we just jumped from what, Chris? 4:40 to 5:40, just like that. This is at 3:40, just like that. So we are time travel.
Yeah. We got in our past, now we're back in our future.
You do what?
So with the gun in our past, now we're back in the future.
Just like that.
Yeah,
You see that? Right. Guys, we're actually 3 minutes away from the house, but someone wants popcorn, so stop to get it. So we're in Walmart. Open our ear, Miss Luz. What you getting? What we getting? You want popcorn?
No, I got nothing.
Chris, popcorn alone they come for?
Yeah.
But a popcorn alone buy?
You in here, what expect?
Me?
Come here alone, they come in here. Did I buy popcorn alone?
You see that, guys? If I blame me, because we pick up more than popcorn.
Come on, we know.
You buy your popcorn?
I would know females here. They're going to store for one thing, come out to the million.
Whatever. Food stuff. Yes, guys. So we eat. Still stuck in the kitchen, but
I want to eat popcorn.
here. If eat what this do, you know, you hear him?
Instead of asking something where if now get tonight, kind of supposed to fall. But it was a long day. It was a long journey. What do you want?
Popcorn.
You can wait till tomorrow?
No, I want to eat it now.
You want to eat it now? Sorry, want your belly full?
No,
And it's a lot.
no, I want to eat it.
So tomorrow I can pop it and you can eat it all day.
I want to eat it.
You're going to get it tomorrow?
I want it.
Right now?
I want it now.
Okay. Oh boy. After we had tried to stay away from the popcorn argument.
I'm ready for it. Start up with
Well, we are going to bed. because I'm tired, so I'm tired. Be sure I'm tired too. And him want to eat off a bag of popcorn. So yeah guys, so over 5 hours worth of traveling. What time we leave out? Well, we left the house. Had to turn back because someone wanted to go use the bathroom. So that kind of delay with time. So we restarted the journey. We stopped when we had about 2 hours left to go. To get some gas, and we just buy a cup of coffee. We never eat all day, so we stop at Walmart as you guys saw earlier to get some of them thing, and then we just go over Wendy's, go buy 2 sandwich, and reach home. Good time, the clock of 7. You driving never bad. Never bad. But you know, say that take a toll on the body. So we have a rest of time now to start another day tomorrow. Don't know what we're doing yet, but the journey continues. And once we do something or go somewhere, you guys will know. So thank you for taking the journey with us, guys. Remember to stay healthy and to stay strong. And we will definitely catch up with you guys. Hope you've been enjoying our video so far. Yeah, hope you've been enjoying our videos and we're enjoying your company. So let the journey continue for the rest of our lives. Once you come on and you're new, for all persons who are here, we appreciate everyone, and we're just going to do this for everybody and not just for ourselves. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll go sleep. Alright?
Bye.
So I'm gonna say bye. Anyways, later guys. Peace.